In this video, we'll go through the first part of integration, the power rule, sometimes referred to as an antiderivative. The integral of x to the n is equal to x to the n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c, where n cannot equal minus 1. A good way of remembering this is to put it into words. Add 1 to the power, divide by the new power. Let's go through some examples. Integrate the following. 1. Integrate x to the power of 4 plus 3x cubed minus 2x dx. Dx just means integrate with respect to x. Just like in differentiation, we treat every term in the polynomial separately. So add 1 to the power, so it becomes x to the power of 5 divided by 5 plus 3x to the power of 4 divided by 4 minus 2x squared divided by 2 plus c. These two cancel, so I'm left with x to the power of 5 divided by 5 plus 3x to the power of 4 divided by 4 minus x squared plus c. The second one, integrate 12p to the power of 4 minus 4p squared plus 2 dp. So add 1 to the power, so we get 12p to the power of 5 divided by 5 minus 4p cubed divided by 3 plus 2p plus c. Question 3. Integrate 4 divided by q cubed plus the square root of q dq. Just like in differentiation, before we can use the power rule, they must all be in powers. So this will change to integrate 4q to the power of minus 3 plus q to the power of a half dq. Now we can use the power rule. So we get 4q minus 3 plus 1 becomes minus 2 divided by minus 2 plus q, a half plus 1 becomes 3 over 2, divide by 3 over 2, plus c. 4 divided by minus 2 becomes minus 2, q to the minus 2. Flip the 3 over 2 to become 2 over 3, q to the 3 over 2, plus c. If you want to bring the minus 2 back to the bottom, you're left with minus 2 over q squared plus 2 over 3 q to the power of 3 over 2 plus c. Question 4. Integrate 5z to the power of 4 minus 3 all over z squared dz. Divide all the way through by z squared, so we get the integral of 5. Z to the power of 4 divided by z squared is z squared minus 3 over z squared dz. Now bring the z squared to the top, so we get the integral of 5z squared minus 3z to the power of minus 2 dz. Add 1 to the power, so we get 5z cubed over 3 minus z minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 divided by minus 1 plus c. Then we're left with 5 over 3 z cubed Minus and a minus make a plus. 3z to the minus 1 plus c. If you want to take the minus 1 to the bottom, we would be left with 5 over 3 z cubed plus 3 over z plus c.